Your cello props today are a box of matches, an elastic band, and a packet of rice. Wait, what? I'm going to teach you about vibrato. Empty out the matches, pour in some rice, and seal up the little box. Makes a really nice sound. We don't want a full box. We want to be able to hear a shake. Then we have the elastic band. We put it around our hand. Put the box in behind it. And we have our built-in shaker. First challenge is just to walk around the room, shake it out, hold it up to your ear, imagine you're shaking it. And now see if you can keep shaking and play an open string. If you're a beginner, this might happen. So the idea is really to keep this going. And we can put our fingers between the D and G string. And we're really getting a feedback, a rhythmical feedback for what we want to do. Look for a position for your elbow that it can be quite quiet. So if it's too low, you're going to be flopping around. And if it's too high, it's going to hurt your shoulder. So just somewhere quite relaxed. You're just sliding up and down the string. Now you can try and listen to the string that you're on. I'm leaning back onto the D string. I'm not really thinking about the notes, I'm just listening to the shaking. And the next thing you can do is to allow it to be on one spot. You can hear speeding up. So up and down is a slower vibrato. And if I bring in the distance traveled, makes sense that it gets faster. And see how relaxed you can be. Come away from the cello, shake your hand. This is about the speed. And of course try it on all fingers. And a little extra trick, I always use my third finger to support my fourth finger. It's quite small, so I never do this. Always third and fourth together. So let me know how you get on and make sure to follow along for more insider bite-sized cello hacks.